going on YouTube world? Austin Zay back here with another YouTube video. And in this video, I just want to talk to you really quick about the ATM business. I feel like there's a lot of misconceptions about the ATM business, and I want to show you some actual profit, okay? I know that everybody likes to see the money, and in this video, I decided I would show you the money. I feel like a lot of entrepreneurs aren't talking about the money, and I own multiple other companies, and it got me thinking the other day. I'm like, man, in all these other companies, everybody's showing the money. And for whatever reason, everybody likes to follow the money, right? Everybody likes to see the money, to see what's going on, to see how much people are making. And I want to show you kind of some different examples, and I'm going to kind of talk about it. And I'm going to show you some good ATMs, and I'm going to show you some just average ATMs. Now, there's a couple of ATMs in here that I am going to show you here in just a moment that results are not typical, okay? I want you to understand that right now before I show you. But I'm going to go ahead and start dragging over some screenshots here. So take a look at this. I just screenshotted this obviously right now. As you guys can kind of see, there's definitely going to be some stuff blurred out here. But take a look at my cursor here, okay, and follow along with me. This was all on August 3rd. So the time of recording this video, I believe it is August 4th. So this was yesterday, okay? This is one of our smaller ATMs, and this is like a market, okay? This is like a little miniature gas station almost, okay? Now, as you can see, we did 6 approved transactions, okay? This is what this means right here. Total, sometimes you'll see in a couple of these other ones where a transaction might not get approved, it might get declined, maybe they didn't have the correct PIN number or something like that. But yesterday basically did 6 total transactions. Out of those 6 transactions, 6 of them were approved, okay? Our surcharge is $3.75 on this transaction, right? That's 100% profit to us, okay? Actually, I take that back. The profit to us on this is like $3.25. I think we pay the owner of the business like 50 cents, okay? Every screenshot that I'm gonna show you, we do not pay the owner of the business a ton of money. It is a very little amount of money. So we made $22.50, okay? So I took down some notes over here. $22.50 at 30 or times 30 days is about $675 per month, okay? $675 a month. Let's go ahead and drag another one over here and take a look at this one. Okay, in this one, you can tell that our current surcharge is $3. This is actually a mall that we have in Tucson, okay? Now, if you look at this, I just pulled this one up for the 31st. It was like lagging on some other dates. So July 31st, a few days ago, basically it had 13 total transactions. Out of those 13 total transactions, 11 of them got approved, okay? 2 of them were denied, and you can kind of see that right here, incorrect PIN, okay? It dispensed $620, and our total profit was $33. If it did $33 every day times 30 days, it would do $990 a month, okay? Guys, this is insane. I'm gonna add all this up for you in a minute. Stay tuned. This is gonna get even more exciting, okay? I'm gonna show you one that's not so typical, okay? Get ready for this one. By the way, before I show you this, if you haven't already, go ahead and smash that freaking like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'm gonna show you this one really quick. Not typical at all, okay? I pulled a report on this one. This one's doing an average of 3,075 transactions per month at $4 per transaction. Okay, this one is literally doing $12,300 per month net to us. Now, we probably pay, I want to say this is in a bar in San Francisco, and I think we pay the owner of this location like 50 cents to $1. Even if this made $10,000 per month in net, that is insanity, okay? Insanity. This is not normal. Very few ATMs that you install will do this much money, but I did want to show you what was possible with the ATM business, okay? At the end of the day, you never know. You're gonna land one of those ATMs that just freaking do an insane amount of transactions. I'm gonna show you another one here in a little while. This is actually in a barber shop. It's one of our best barber shops that we have. We have like 80 or 90 barber shops right now. It's insane. But basically, as you can tell, okay, this is a barber shop. Average surcharge is, current surcharge is $3, okay? We pay 50 cents to the barber shop owner. In this situation, they got rid of their actual point of sale. So typically when we lock down barber shops, our goal is to convince them to get rid of the point of sale, okay? So when they get rid of the point of sale, their customers are forced to use cash. I'm gonna bring this microphone down here just a little bit more. Their customers are forced to use cash, and therefore they do a lot of transactions. 27 total approved transactions for a total of $81 per day. That averages out to about $2,430 per month from one ATM. Literally insanity. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys one more. Results not typical, okay? Here's another one, guys. And if you take a look here, on this one, we did about 143 approved transactions in one day, okay? Literally complete insanity. If you do the math on this, $564 in total surcharge times 30 days is about $16,920 per month. This is one of our highest profit ATMs. It requires us to fill it like literally every 3 or 4 days, but as you can tell, it's 100% worth it, okay? To profit like $14,000 a month, I think we paid the owner like $2,000 a month, is just complete insanity, okay? The money's gonna be sitting in the bank either way. It is a total no-brainer, just all day, every day, okay? Literally a no-brainer. So guys, this is what's possible in the ATM business. Let me show you a breakdown of what 7 ATMs, 7 out of our hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of ATMs, what 7 of our ATMs produce per month. I went ahead and broke some stuff down for you here. Here's the 7 ATMs I'm talking about. And again, understand that when you're looking at these numbers, you know, this is pretty normal, right? The first one, the second one, the third one, you know, when you go down like the 5th one, okay, and the 7th one. These two are very not normal. You're not gonna land these very often. It's gonna require a pretty significant amount of cash to put in the ATM because people are going through so much cash. However, you could land them, and the cash that you put in the ATMs, if you do have that much cash on hand, you're not actually spending that money, right? Because that gets direct deposited right back into your bank account the following day. So, you know, really the only money that you ever spent was the one-time fee or purchase to actually acquire the ATM itself. I mean, even if out of the $6,000 or out of the $36,000 total monthly revenue, we paid our proprietors like $6,000, which we don't. I think it's less than that. We'd be making $30,000 a month or $360,000 per year from a $21,000 investment. Guys, it's almost too good to be true. You have to realize that this is very, I mean, even on the little ones, okay, the $19.75 a day, I mean, $600 a month for a $3,000 ATM machine. I mean, do the math on that, okay? I mean, in 5 or 6 months, like you've 100% paid you've gotten your money back, that you've completely gotten your return on investment, and from there it's just pure cash flow, okay? You know, guys, this is a very lucrative business. There's about 425,000 ATMs in the United States that are privately owned. You know, look, you can do it, okay? If I can do it, you can do it for sure, without a shadow of a doubt. Guys, this is better than real estate. This is better than the stock market. And guys, I invest in real estate. So for those of you that don't know, I own 2 real estate companies and I also own a marketing company. You know, and I'm just a normal guy, right? I'm not that special. You know, I'm sitting in my office right now. I have a lisp, okay? You know, but at the end of the day, like, this is doable, right? And if you just figure out a way to make your money work for you rather than you constantly working for your money, you might find that in a few years from now, you could literally be financially free for the rest of your life. Even if you paid somebody another $5,000 a month to load all of your ATMs for you, so you didn't even have to do that, you're profiting $25,000 per month. And again, even if you took these big ones out, you could just go get 5 more small ones, guys. It's still like $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Cash on cash return, okay? Like this is a no-brainer. The ATM business is extremely lucrative, okay? It's extremely fun. Be careful, do your own due diligence, you know, seek out counsel, right? But at the end of the day, guys, this is like, I've invested in a lot of things in my life, okay? I've done Shopify, I've done Amazon FBA, I've done multiple real estate companies, I've owned a marketing company, I've owned an exotic car rental company, I've owned a golf cart limousine company, I've owned a lot of different things, and the amount of money that there is to be made in this business without that much effort it's absolutely insane, okay? It's absolutely insane. It's literally like, take the money that you already have sitting in your bank and make more money with it, guys. And also, if you're sitting here watching this video and you don't have the money to invest, there's companies out there that will literally fund you or fund the cash in the ATM, and they'll just charge you a percentage per surcharge. It's like 75 cents to $1. You can Google it. There's literally companies that will fund you to start an ATM business, okay? There's a lot of ways to get involved in this business, And I just hope that you learned from this video, you got a lot of value from this video, you stayed to the very end, because I think it's extremely valuable. Okay, guys, with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop in the comment section down below what you'd like to see in another video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.